Vanakkam everybody, welcome to Learning Session with Jay. This learning session is going to be a very simple and a very quick tutorial on how to open a paint pen and start writing with it. Okay, first of all, you have your paint pen like this. You'll be able to see that it has come with a plastic cover that's been wrapped around it. First, you need to remove that. So in order to remove that, you have to grab hold of your paint pen like this and twist it. When you twist it, the plastic wrap is going to get ripped on this place, and that's enough for you to start getting rid of this plastic cover in the first place. And yes, your plastic wrap is done. Getting rid of that one is done. Now you have your paint pen ready. If you open your paint pen, if you uncap it, you will be able to see that there's no ink flow on the nib. This is a black paint pen, oil-based paint pen, Pen Touch, and obviously this place is not covered with black ink. That's because the ink flow has not yet been started with the paint pen. There's a procedure that we need to follow in order to get the ink flow started on a paint pen and start writing with it. First of all, it's a two-part procedure. The first part of it is that you have to cap your paint pen and now shake it. When you shake it, you'll be able to hear that sound. That's going to help the ink flow get started. Like, that's one part of it. And now, once you've shaken that up a little bit, uncap it once again. Now, the second part of it is that still you will not be having any ink flow. The second part of it is that you need to pump it. So when you try to pump it, what happens is that it goes inside and it comes outside. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, you need to keep pumping it. Yeah, see? Ink flow has started. So you just have to keep pumping it and the ink flow will start. Once that is done, you can start writing. That's it. That's how you open a paint pen and start writing with it. There's two disclaimers that I want to say. One is, when you are trying to shake your paint pen like this in the first place, then make sure your cap is on the pen. Don't uncap it and shake it, because I've done that once, and if you do it a bit vigorously, this nib just falls apart. Like, it just gets thrown in the other side of the room. That's not something that's right to be done. So always have your cap on and then you shake it. And also don't shake it too much. Like, have a medium amount of force and then you shake it. And once you start pumping, also, like, go slow and consistent. Don't be too forceful on it. Just do it consistently, and at one point definitely the ink flow will get started. Okay, and also always store your paint pens by having the cap on. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until I see you in the next learning session, Nandri, Vanakkam.